is Mike with Innovative Door. We're going to show you a new door with a pass door in it. Okay, here's the door. You can see the hinged pass door here. You go on the inside and you lock it, and then these rollers here will roll up in the track there. Third vertical track, 3-inch track, and you'll open the slide lock and then just roll it up. And then obviously they need an exit sign on there. So this is the Wayne Dalton version of a pass door through. It's a TS200, 3-inch thick track, 3-inch rollers, double end style of course. And here we go. Actually, the rollers roll on top of that track, and they hold up. This door needs oil and lube, but that's where the rollers go, on top of the track. Excuse me, not in the track. So they hold the weight so that when you close the door, it doesn't mess it up. And then we come down. That's it. Put the slap lock on, open sesame, and you're out. Ta-da! So for all your garage door needs for commercial doors with pass doors in them, call Innovative Garage Door at 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Visit us at the showroom, 650 Ogden in Downers Grove. And as always, I encourage you to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our pass door video.